World Auto Forum presents Voice of Auto Dealer, powered by FADA.
Hi, friends. So, talking about the future of auto retail, the future of auto retail has to be nice, it has to be shiny, it has to be bright because the kind of number of people it employs, the amount of business it generates, the taxes which get collected. So, the future has to be bright. But, what I feel personally that the kind of justice that we can do to automotive retail, to the retailers, to the entrepreneurs, a lot can be done in that regard. When we talk about ease of doing business, when we talk about the inventory that they are carrying, yeah, GST rates got reduced, but there is so much confusion on the cess. As they say, cess is still a mess. So would cess be credited to their IGST, CGST? It's still a big question mark. Then the next gen may or may not be that keen to join the family business of automotive dealerships. They get more attracted to the AI and digital and iBanking careers of the world. So how do we ensure their interest? Then the Gen, that's about the Gen Next. About the women entrepreneurs, they are already involved in the businesses, but how can they be on the forefront? I'm sure a good transformation is happening, but still a lot can be done on that regard. Then the OEMs actually treating dealers as their business associates and business partners, and not like a dealer that outsource all your problems, pump all your inventory, leave everything to them, but be a person with them, be part and parcel involved, whether it's their manpower, their credit lines, their cash flows, their compliances. I'm sure the OEM might say that that's a dealer's responsibility. That's why they're a dealer in the first place. But little hand holding, little help, little support can always go a long way. So I feel that the dealers have to be truly empowered. They have to be digital savvy. It has to be a brick and click model. There has to be more ease of doing business because it's about the future. It's about employment. Like I just saw in FEDA, they're also partnering with the NGO for teaching CPR. It is so important. I know so many doctors who don't know how to do CPR correctly, but if the common man can be taught that, it can be magical. It will be a huge step in the right direction for road safety. So let's make our dealers more empowered. Let's make them road safety champions. Let's contribute in their business performance and let them employ more and more people. Those people have group insurance schemes, group medical covers, and everybody is successful, happy, and prosperous. Thank you.